What's up guys, Kevin here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Bukkit server as well as port forward, and also I'll be showing you how to install regular Minecraft single player mods into the Bukkit server, if it's compatible. First things first, you want to download the file itself for Bukkit. Now, for Craft Bukkit, there are multiple versions. I recommend the recommended build, of course, but there is a beta build at the moment for 1.7.2 Minecraft. The recommended build is sitting on 1.6.4. We'll just take the recommended build for now. We will put this into Minecraft server version 2.0. Save. Now, for now, I'm just showing the default how to set up a Minecraft server. The second thing you want to do is download Bukkit GUI project, or just Bukkit GUI. What this is, it's basically the menu for your Craft Bukkit server. You get to edit anything you want in there. It's probably the most simplistic yet helpful interface GUI out there for Bukkit server itself. Now that we have those two files, we're ready to get set. Now, Bukkit GUI, you want to start it, you want to run it. Right now the version is in 1.6.4.410. You can install the update now, or you can choose to ignore it. This is what the Bukkit GUI looks like, and to get started you must go to Super Start. The minimum RAM is the minimum amount of RAM that this server is allowed to use. I personally have 8 GB of RAM, and most of the time I'm not really doing anything with it, so I put it minimum at about 2 GB, maximum at about 3.5 GB of RAM. Now if you have a 4 GB computer, you might want to put it to minimum 500 megabytes and then maximum 1.5 GB, which it's of course it's very preference, and of course with higher RAM there will be higher performance and just a better server overall with the higher power, with more accessible power. Now here you will see jar file. You want to click the triple dot. Originally it won't say, it will have a red exclamation mark there or something like that, but you want to go into Minecraft server version 2.0, this is for me, and you want to look for your jar file that you installed or downloaded. It will be called Craft Bukkit whatever version hard 2.0. If you want to just press open. Now, right now, the jar file will be defaulted to Craft Bukkit file. Initially, when you press start for the server, you will see warnings, you will see errors, but that's okay. It's just creating all of the files needed to run the server. And once it says done, it means the server is up at the moment. First of all, if you don't know how to port forward, you'll have to look some stuff here, but I'm going to port forward just for my router. Now Minecraft uses the port 25565. You'll need to open that port, if not already, for your server to be running and open to the public or just to your friends so they can access it. You want to find what your router is and how to access it. My router's connection is 192.168.1.1. I have a NetGear router, and this is the NetGear IP to go into it. Usually when you try and access your router, you will see something that says authentication required. A username and password are being requested by blah 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 blah. The username default for every router is admin. The password default is password. If your router looks like this, or if your router is different, it does not matter. All you want to do is try and find port forwarding. That's the most important thing here. As you can see, I have already created a port forward for my Minecraft server. 25565, 25565, server IP address. Now to find this server IP address, you have to go into your command prompt. Your command prompt, you go to the Windows start bar, or if you have Windows 8, just go search CMD. A program will come up named cmd.exe. You want to open it. Once cmd.exe is open, you want to type in ipconfig/all. Now once you type in ipconfig/all, you be sent all the way down to a long list of numbers and things you will not understand, for most people. You want to scroll all the way up until you see something that might say Ethernet adapter local area connection. It may or may not say that. Under one of those sections, you want to find something that says IPv4 address. You want to copy that number down. Mine is 192.168.1.5. Now if you have a NetGear router like I do, you go into port forward like earlier and click on add custom service. You want to fill in your service name, Minecraft server. Service type should be TCP/UDP. Starting port should be 25565, 25565. The ending port. This is the port that Minecraft uses. Now, earlier, you found the IPv4 IP address. You want to put that in now. It could be anything ranging from anything, to be honest. Let's put and mine was 192.168.1.5. We put that in. You'll have to press apply or start or anything like that. I've already created mine. It'll show up like this. Now once we have port forwarded, we of course want to see if we can connect to it. You want to start up your Bukkit GUI and just press start. You want to wait until the server itself starts. Mine have started. Now up here you will see Bukkit GUI version 1.7.2.530 server running, but then you will see an IP address. This IP address itself is the one you will connect to. Now we are in Minecraft. You want to go to the multiplayer section and click on add server. Once you have added a server, of course you want to make the server name and then the IP address that you found at the top of your Bukkit GUI, you want to enter that. Whatever IP address it is, say 8.84256.1.87, you press done, and then you should be able to connect to it. If not, then I don't know. Now from your Bukkit GUI, you can also search and install plugins. In this plugin tab, you can go here, type in any plugin that you want to find. Essentials. Search. Now Essentials itself is a core set of commands for your server. It provides /home, /back, /game mode, /TPA, anything that a multiplayer server should have. All you do is click on Essentials, double click. Now here it is. Now if you have 1.6.4 server, you of course want to look for the 1.6.4 version. It should say Crash Bukkit, whatever version. Install selected version, yes. Essentials is now installed into your Minecraft server. Now, if you want to install single player survival mods or anything else that's compatible but is not a plugin, you want to go look up MCPC Plus, which again, I will link in the description below. MCPC Plus provides and gives your server the option to install mods. Example, Mo Creatures, Harvestcraft, anything you find from the mod list in my Liftcraft series can actually be put into the server. Now we want to find the correct MCPC Plus version. Now for MCPC Plus, you want to try and find the most recent build for your Minecraft version. 1.6.4 R2.1 is the most recent and recommended build for 1.6.4 Minecraft Bukkit. Now when you save and download this, you want to put it in the same folder as your Minecraft server. You want to open up your Bukkit GUI and go to Superstart. You want to click on jar file and browse for jar file. You want to click on the MCPC Plus that you downloaded. I accidentally downloaded too. You want to press OK and start the server. Now with MCPC Plus, you can basically put any mod that you want into your server. Any mod that you find within my Liftcraft series can be put into the server itself. Mo creatures, furniture mod, harvest craft. Now once it's done, you can press stop. In your Minecraft folder, you will see a folder that says mods. In this folder, you can put any mods that you want. Let's take a mod from my .minecraft. Let's take custom mob spawner and Mo creatures. Let's copy, paste. Now those two are needed for Mo creatures. Now we can test out the server by going to Bukkit GUI, starting up the server, and then going into Minecraft and logging in. Anyone who wants to play on the Bukkit server with the mods has to have the mods in their .minecraft as well. So if you want to have a server with Mo creatures, anyone who wants to go on the server has to have Mo creatures as well. Now we spawned in, and this server has Mo creatures inside of it, I think. Now you can see this is the server itself, and I have spawned a red ghost thingy, and it disappeared. Oh, that's loud. So that is how you create a Bukkit server, port forward, and put mods onto your server. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.